Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will address the diagnostic trouble codes P0970 and P0971 related to the Honda Accord model 2023 and onwards. These codes signify issues within the continuously variable transmission, CVT, clutch pressure control solenoid valve circuit. Specifically, P0970 indicates that the transmission control module, TCM, has detected a low current flow when the solenoid is commanded to activate, while P0971 indicates an overcurrent scenario. The TCM plays a crucial role as the brain of the transmission system, ensuring that the solenoid operates within its designated parameters. The affected component, the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve, is integrated into the valve body assembly of the transmission system. Understanding these codes is crucial for effective troubleshooting and maintenance. DTC P0970 and P0971 involve the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve, which is integrated with the valve body assembly in your Honda Accord. The role of this solenoid is to regulate the hydraulic pressure applied to the CVT, ensuring smooth operation and efficient gear shifting. The TCM, or Transmission Control Module, is responsible for managing the operation of the solenoid. Thus, any error in circuit communication can lead to either a low current flow or an overcurrent condition. The physical location of the component is critical for accessibility during troubleshooting and maintenance. Proper functioning of the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid is essential for the overall performance of the Honda Accord's transmission system. The possible causes for DTC P0970 and P0971 include several electrical and component failures. An open circuit in the wiring related to the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve can prevent the TCM from detecting normal current flow. Additionally, a short circuit to ground may send too much current to the solenoid, triggering DTC P0971. A malfunctioning TCM itself can also cause these issues, potentially due to internal faults. Lastly, if the solenoid valve is defective, it might not respond correctly to the TCM commands, resulting in abnormal readings. Understanding these possible causes aids in narrowing down the troubleshooting process effectively. The symptoms associated with DTC P0970 and P0971 may include erratic transmission behavior, characterized by unexpected or jarring shifts while driving. This can be detrimental to performance and comfort while operating the vehicle. Delayed shifting, where there is a noticeable lag between when the accelerator is pressed and when the vehicle changes gear, is another potential symptom. Drivers may also observe warning lights illuminating on the dashboard, specifically related to transmission issues. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial, as they can significantly affect driving performance and vehicle safety. Ignoring these issues can lead to more severe transmission problems if not addressed promptly. The first troubleshooting step involves starting the engine and allowing it to run for at least 1 second. This initial action ensures that the TCM can engage and begin monitoring the solenoid valve functions. It is essential to conduct preliminary checks before diving deeper into diagnostics. These checks will help validate whether the TCM is receiving the correct data from the solenoid. If the issues persist after this verification, further inspection of the electrical circuits associated with the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve is warranted. This foundational step is critical, as it lays the groundwork for the subsequent diagnostic procedures. The second troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the external circuit connected to the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve. This inspection includes evaluating the CPCLS, and CPC negative circuits to identify potential open or short circuits. If the CPCLS circuit does not show less than 1 ohm resistance when supposed to be open, there may be an issue with the wiring. Similarly, the CPC negative circuit must also be checked under the same conditions. Proper resistance values are critical for reliable performance. Deviations could mean either damaged wiring or faulty electrical components. This step is essential to isolate the issue before moving on to checks of the TCM and the solenoid valve itself. During the third troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to the TCM, which must be inspected thoroughly. Before disconnecting the TCM connector, it is crucial to jump the SCS line with the Honda Diagnostic System HDS and wait for over 1 minute. This preemptive measure allows for a comprehensive examination of the TCM. Upon disconnection, the solenoid internal circuit should be inspected. A normal reading should show a resistance between 4.7 and 5.9 ohms. If the resistance is out of this range, it indicates that either the TCM is malfunctioning or the related components are flawed. Understanding this aspect is crucial since the TCM is central in managing the solenoid's operations. In the fourth troubleshooting step, the focus is directed toward the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve itself. If previous steps indicated that the TCM and wiring are functioning correctly, the likelihood is high that the solenoid valve has failed. A detailed inspection of this component will help confirm its operational status. Symptoms of a faulty solenoid can manifest as irregular pressure settings within the transmission, leading to performance issues. Essentially, if no issues are found in other components, then the failure can be attributed to the solenoid valve, necessitating a replacement to resolve the DTCs. This action is crucial for restoring transmission functionality and overall vehicle performance. Post-repair verification is critical in ensuring that the issues related to DTC P0970 and P0971 are resolved effectively. After conducting repairs and replacing any faulty components, the system should be tested to confirm normal functionality. This includes a thorough examination on the road to observe if any symptoms are still present. Additionally, any stored diagnostic trouble codes, such as P0970 and P0971, should be cleared from the system. This action will reset the TCM's monitoring process and create a clean slate for future diagnostics. Once verified, it provides both confidence and assurance that the repairs have been successful. Preventive maintenance plays an essential role in prolonging the life of the CVT system in Honda Accord. Regular system checks should be scheduled to confirm proper functionality of the TCM and CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve. Conducting these checks can help identify potential issues before they escalate into more significant problems. Additionally, routine fluid replacements are crucial. Fresh transmission fluid can help the CVT operate more efficiently and reduce wear on internal components. Keeping up with preventive measures is vital in avoiding DTC occurrence and overall transmission reliability, ensuring a smooth driving experience for the owner. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0970 and P0971 is vital for maintaining the efficiency of the Honda Accord's transmission system. Each code indicates specific issues related to the CVT clutch pressure control solenoid valve, encompassing both low and high circuit errors. Conducting thorough inspections of related components like the TCM and the solenoid itself ensures accurate diagnosis and effective repairs. Regular maintenance practices, such as system checks and fluid replacements, play a significant role in preventing recurrence of these errors. Ensuring these processes are routinely followed not only keeps the vehicle performing optimally, but also enhances its longevity, ultimately leading to a better driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.